Hi guys, here for video 3, and in this time we are doing 4.3, assembling the launcher. And so basically, what you can see here is we imported all 5 of our parts that were already made or we made ourselves, and then we added some screws, because you gotta have your screws. We added the 2 hex socket head caps, and then this one over here, a little kind of triangle configuration. That's how I think about it. And our mate features, basically just fastened this screw to here, and so this isn't going anywhere. You can see the top kind of came, and it's fixed to the origin right there, and it's kind of fixed in its place. It can't move. And so the Revolute mate makes sure that this can spin. So you're getting a little sneak peek at what's going to be happening. And then the fasten mate basically fastens this to this, because obviously it can't fly off in our CAD model. So it's just going to make sure that it spins with it. And then our slider mate is this makes sure that this slides in and out, okay? And as you can see that. And the rack and pinion, that's the big kind of meat of this assignment. And what it does is it connects the Revolute mate to the slider mate, just like the teeth would in, in actual. So pardon me for the really, that's hard to look at in there. Let's see if we can maybe hide. Basically, the rack and pinion mate, it connects them in the distance per revolution. Just make sure that the key doesn't go too far. And so we're gonna try and hide the top here. Let's hide the ring too, and hide this, not the spin, pardon me, the prop, just so we can really see what's going on here. And if we look in here, we see that key turning the spinner. We're not getting any overlap. They're not colliding. They're just touching. And then these further fasten mates just connect all the screws to the top. But really, yeah, the rack and pinion, it's the meat of it. It's a little hard to understand how you need to connect them, but once you get that and you just figure that out, you calculate the kind of distance you want it to go. The distance per revolution is the same as setting a limit. It's just setting a limit on the revolution, and that's about it. So thank you.